What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could change your English forever? No tricks, no secret formula, no magic, just a small daily habit that helps you learn English better, faster, and more confidently. Podcast where English becomes simple, real, and part of your life. Today's topic is the power of daily English habits. What 10 minutes a day can do. This is not about studying more, it's about doing less, but doing it better. In this episode, you'll learn why small, consistent habits are stronger than long study sessions, how 10 minutes a day can build natural fluency, the brain science behind repetition, simple things you can do every day, even on busy days, real stories from English learners who changed their life with small steps. You don't need hours. You don't need expensive lessons. You only need a plan and a habit, a story to start with. Let me take you back to a time when I felt stuck. I tried to learn a new language, bought books, watched videos, downloaded apps. For a few days, I felt motivated. Then, life got busy. Work, family, stress. I kept telling myself, I don't have time today. I'll study tomorrow. But tomorrow became next week, and next week became never. Until one day, a friend told me, do just 10 minutes a day, no more, no less. I laughed. 10 minutes? That's nothing. But I tried it anyway, and something amazing happened. I didn't feel overwhelmed. I didn't skip days. I simply showed up. 10 minutes listening in the morning, 10 minutes repeating a few phrases, 10 minutes reading a short article. Simple, small, consistent. Within weeks, I felt more confident. Within months, I could speak more smoothly. And after 1 year, I was using the language without fear, all because of one small habit. That's the power of 10 minutes a day. Why this works. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word. You just need to show up every day, even when you're busy, tired, or unmotivated. Because your brain loves repetition. It learns better with short, regular practice, not long, stressful study sessions. With only 10 minutes a day, you can train your ear to understand native speakers, improve pronunciation, learn new phrases and use them, build confidence, think in English naturally. 10 minutes a day is not a shortcut, it's a lifestyle. How to start? Simple steps. Step 1. Choose your 10-minute time. Morning, lunch break, evening. Anything that fits your life. Step 2. Pick one focus. Listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary. Not everything at once. Step 3. Keep it simple. Listen to a podcast. Repeat phrases. Write a few sentences. Shadow a short video. Step 4. Track your progress. Notebook, calendar, habit tracker, anything that reminds you that you're growing. Step 5. Celebrate, yes, celebrate. If you practice today, say, I did it. Progress matters more than perfection. End of part 1. Before we move to part 2, remember, you don't need hours to get good at English. You just need consistency. You've already taken the first step by listening. Tomorrow, spend 10 minutes with English. Then the next day, and the next. Soon it becomes a habit, then a skill, then a part of who you are. English will become yours, 1 minute at a time. Part 2. Let's dive deeper. You're going to learn real 10-minute routines you can start today. How to stay motivated. How to make habits stick. How to design your personal English plan. Let's begin. How should you spend your 10 minutes? You don't need a big plan, just one simple daily task. Here are some real 10-minute habits you can start today. 1. The speaking mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Talk about anything. Your day, your plans, your thoughts. Goal: get comfortable hearing your own voice in English. Bonus: record yourself and listen back. 2. Listening plus shadowing. Choose a short video or podcast. Listen for 30 seconds. Pause. Repeat exactly what you hear. Tone, rhythm, stress. This trains your brain to think in English. 3. Read and retell. Read a short article. Close it. Try to explain it in your own words. This improves comprehension plus speaking together. 4. Word power. Learn 3 to 5 new words a day. Use them in real sentences. Visualize them. 3 words per day equals over 1,000 words a year. You don't need to do all these every day. Just choose one. Rotate them during the week. Stay consistent. Small efforts build big fluency. A real story. Daniel, 38, worked full-time in construction. He always said, "I'm too tired. I don't have time." Then his daughter asked for help with English homework. He couldn't help her. That moment changed everything. He started with 10 minutes a day, listening to podcasts, shadowing during his commute, speaking in the mirror. After 3 months, basic conversation after 6 months, helped a tourist after 1 year, applied for an English required job. He got it. He said, "It wasn't the 10 minutes, it was believing I could do it." Weekly 10-minute plan. Easy example. Monday, podcast plus shadowing. Tuesday, speaking in the mirror. Wednesday, read and retell. Thursday, learn 3 new words. Friday, movie scene plus repeat Saturday. Voice message a friend. Sunday, review or rest. Miss a day. Don't quit. Just start again tomorrow. How to stay motivated when you don't feel like it. Everyone loses motivation sometimes. That's normal. What matters is what you do next. 1. Micro goals. Make goals so small you can't fail. Examples. Repeat 1 sentence. Learn 1 phrase. Speak 3 sentences about your day. Small wins, big momentum. 2. Track your wins. Mark every day you show up. Use a notebook, app, or simple calendar. Don't break the chain. 3. Build an identity. Don't say, "I'm trying to learn English." Say, "I am an English speaker in training." Identity creates consistency. Another story. Sarah is a busy mom of 2 kids. She felt guilty for not studying. Then she changed her rule. No pressure, just 5 minutes a day. She practices English while washing dishes. Simple sentences. Every day. After 6 months, she sent her first English voice message to family overseas. Small habits changed her confidence forever. How to make English a lifestyle pair. English with cooking, walking, or cleaning. Listen during commute. Teach 1 word a day to someone you love. Sing along to English songs. Keep a small English journal. Learning becomes fun. Learning becomes natural. Final story. Luis worked in a bakery in Spain. Every morning at 5 a.m., he listened to short English podcasts while baking bread. He didn't understand much, but he kept going. After a year, he had a 3-minute conversation with a tourist. He cried, not because he was fluent, but because he finally connected. That's the power of habits. Ending. Strong and motivating. You now know. English fluency is built in small steps. 10 minutes a day can change your future. Consistency matters more than perfection. You already have everything you need. You don't need hours. You don't need expensive tools. You just need you and 10 minutes. The power of daily English habits. What 10 minutes a day can do if you found this helpful. Like, comment your daily habit. Subscribe so you never miss an episode. We're here with you. 1 day, 1 sentence, 1 small habit at a time. You've got this. See you in the next episode.